All right, Honda Accord 3-liter. Took out the power steering pump and a serpentine belt because we're gonna quickly take a look at this timing belt right here. So I took out 3 bolts around outside and then 1 on the inside here. There's 1 more in the back, but we don't need to take out the back because it's covered up with a idler pulley. You don't want to take out the idler pulley. But if you want to take out the bolt, you have to take out this idler pulley bolt. So you can gonna pry it out open like that. And there's the belt. By the look of it, there's a lot of marking. How many kilometers on this? Almost 200 kilometer?
After buying it?
No, like right now. How many kilometer? Almost 200, right?
Almost 200.
Yeah. To me, it looks like it's the original one.
Original one?
Yeah, original timing belt.
And
It's still good. It's still good. Like, it's not broken. It's not cracking. But it's still a good timing belt in there. All right, guys. So, customer purchased this from another dealer. And spec on the timing belt. By the look of it, there's a lot of markings here. So I don't know if that's original or they put a brand new one. To me, this is the original timing belt. And then you can tell this is the water pump housing. This is the engine mount. You can tell brand new water pump because it's nice and shiny, clean compared to the other material here. So brand new water pump, and the timing belt here is the one that kind of a red flag showing that it's the original timing belt, didn't change it. So that's how you inspect the belt, and hopefully this will last another under 100,000 K.